Hey, I'm Adam Jusko, and this is Unbox'em, where I buy stuff, unbox it, show it to you, and sometimes review it. In this video, we are looking at the Tifosi Swank sunglasses. I just got these. These cost about $25 plus tax. The Amazon link is in the description if you find yourself interested in them. So I am opening them for the first time here. Well, that's actually not true. I opened them to take a quick look, but here is what you get in the box. So this part slides out, and you can see that inside here we have the glasses themselves. Now this is color-wise here, these are the satin with the smoke blue lenses, or maybe, yeah, I think that's right, satin and the smoke blue lenses. So you have those in there, obviously, and they're plastic. A little cleaning cloth, it looks like. And then just this stuff, just in case you don't know how to wear sunglasses. There's always some good to have some instructions there. Probably some warranty material anyway, but that's all you're getting in there. You're getting those sunglasses, you're getting this here. Now let's open these up here and see what we think. All right, now pulling these out here, looks like they still got some sticker stuff on them. I'm gonna put them on real quick anyway, just before I take the stickers off, just to get a feel for how they look. Whoa. So there you go, there's kind of how they look on them. I'm going to take that sticker off because that always makes everything look a little worse. All right, so I got that sticker off the side, which is not the easiest thing to do. I don't know why they put the stickers on like that and make it so difficult to get them off. But anyway, it's off. Now looking at the glasses, hopefully you can see that there actually is the Tifosi name there in the, the Tifosi name there on the one lens. So if that bothers you, you should know that it is there. It's on the sides and it's on the other side. In terms of how they look, I have kind of a long, thin head, so this is kind of how they look on me. Well, I don't know how thin it is, but it is definitely long. So this is kind of how they fit on me. I kind of like how that looks. Now I'm looking at them from my camera's little viewfinder screen here, but they seem like they fit okay, where sometimes I don't like sunglasses that go too far out this way, but these ones seem like they're pretty good. Now I'm not quite sure what I think of these lenses. They're maybe a little too mirrory for me. I don't know, do they look too mirrored? Can you see my eyes right now? I kind of like it sometimes when people can't see my eyes, so I don't know, we'll have to decide. But obviously you can kind of see that there's some mirrored action going on there. You can see my cameras and the lights in the sunglasses themselves. So if you don't like kind of that mirrored look, I think outside it would probably be a little bit different. But anyway, that is how they look. Now, in terms of how they feel, they're plastic, which is probably pretty obvious. They're a $25 pair of glasses. This feels pretty good. Like, that's probably not going to break immediately, which obviously is always the concern. Now I got these glasses and also some other glasses that I'm going to unbox and review because I had some Ray-Bans that broke on me, and they were, you know, the metal Ray-Bans. I just got tired of it. I thought, you know, I'd rather have like 3 or 4 $20 to $30 sunglasses that were plastic and just kind of go through them for the amount of time that I end up usually going through a pair of Ray-Bans, either breaking them or losing them. So that's where these kind of came in. They're plastic, but they're not like super cheap plastic. It feels a little bit better than maybe what I would get at the grocery store or whatever. It feels pretty good on my face. Definitely fits okay, so that makes me happy. I'm gonna open up the little cleaner thingy here if I can get in there. Teeth. So there we are. All right, so, oh, I thought that was like a little, I thought that was to clean it, but it's actually like a little bag. I don't know that I'll ever use that bag, but you know, if I wanted to put it in a bag, at least I have that option there too. So I can't imagine I'm gonna walk around with that bag and when I get to places, pull it in there and pull the drawstring. I don't know who thinks this stuff up sometimes, but if you are the kind of person that would walk around with the bag when you have your sunglasses, this has one. So I think the proof with any sunglasses is how long are they going to last. These ones feel like they will last me a while before they break or get scratched up or whatever, but you just never know. Every single pair of sunglasses that you have is always going to be a different experience. So, you know, watching a review of somebody else telling you about sunglasses oftentimes doesn't tell you how they are going to last for you. You can see how they look on my face, and so hopefully that is helpful, and I can tell you that I think they're pretty decent construction, and hopefully that is helpful. But you know, beyond that, it really is, what are you going to do with them? Are you going to be, you know, I don't know, running in them? Are you going to be biking in them, mountain biking in them? Are you going to be doing things that, you know, they potentially could get scratched up with? Are you, you know, carrying them around in your pocket? Or are you carrying them around in that Swank bag or whatever? So those are the kind of things that you have to think about in terms of whether they're going to last or not. So those are the Tifosi Swank sunglasses. You can get them at Amazon through our link, and you can get them at other places as well. If you were wondering what they looked like on an actual human face, I'm one human face. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.